Many DIY projects call for rotary cutters or utility knives to cut through applications. And when working with these tools, you're going to want the best protection for your work surface. Our Sailrite double-sided cutting mat is self-healing, which works to absorb the cut of the blade without permanently marking the mat. Unlike other cutting mats on the market, which can only be used with rotary cutters, our double-sided cutting mat has a 5-layer construction, which means you can use an array of cutting tools without fear of cutting through to your surface. This cutting mat is great for cutting fabric, leather, vinyl, and other materials. The soft mat surface makes it easy to hold fabric, templates, and rulers in place. The black side of the mat features metric measurements, while the gray side has imperial measurements. Both sides also have degree angle lines for bias cutting. Our cutting mats range from small all the way to extra large. So no matter the size of your project, we have a cutting mat for you. And to make it easy to get yours, we've linked all of our cutting mat sizes in the description below. And make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of Sailrite's exclusive products.